Update time. I got my other manifold built from where my wastegate ended up in the wrong spot. So it's not real pretty, but it should work. And then I had some temporary hater pipes welded up so I can get the O2 hooked up, get this thing running. We'll go to a full exhaust after it's running good. Got my oil lines run. They're running down here to the oil cooler block. And then my drains are just going to the front of the oil pan. Yeah. Up there. Just 1/2 inch NPT nipples on both sides. Got fluids in it. No leaks yet. It is cranking. I'm having a sink error on my micro squirt I gotta figure out. Currently we are working on gauges. I got my dash insert back from the powder coater. It was still wrong. Had to mod it. Had to Dremel these out a little bigger. These edges here do not fit the dash. So I'm having to take the belt sander to that. That's kind of what we're working with. This piece here and this piece here are at the powder coater. They should be back hopefully this coming week. And then those are going to go in it. So that'll be sweet. I think that's about it. We're getting close on this thing. Nice.